So the directions are going to say something like simplify. The directions could say add or subtract, or the directions could say perform the indicated operation, something like that. But let's look at number 1, and let's think about number 1 for a moment. You have 8x minus 5 square root of x squared. 8x minus 5 square root of x squared. You have enough information where you know how to approach something like this. What do you think you may need to do? Look at what you have. First of all, how many terms do you see? 2. There are 2 terms. What have we done in the past that you think you may need to do here? Huh? No. Use the square root property if you have an equation. And it's an equation that looks like this. That's not what I have here. What do you think you may need in the past that you use in the past that you're going to need here? I can simplify the square root of x squared. What is the square root of x squared? X. Guys, come on now. Now can I combine these two? So what's 8x minus 5x? 3x. There's your answer. 3x. Number 2. Negative 6x squared plus the square root of x to the 4th minus 5 square root of x. How many terms do you see? 3. Can I combine any of them at this point? No, but what can I do? Simplify which one? The second one, the square root of x to the 4th. Because I know the square root of x to the 4th is just what? X squared. So I got negative 6x squared plus x squared minus 5 square root of x. Can I combine any of them? Which ones? The first 2. So it's a negative 6x squared plus x squared. No. Negative 5x squared, right? Negative 5x squared. All right, and then minus 5 square root of x? Okay. All right. Number 3. You have the square root of 25x plus the square root of 49x minus 3 square root of x. Don't make that difficult. You have the square root of 25x plus the square root of 49x minus 3 square root of x. How many terms do you see? Can I combine any of them? I'm sorry. Well, yeah, at this point, can I combine any of them? No. Can I simplify any of them? Yes. So let's talk about the square root of 25x. Do y'all agree? Remember what we did a while ago. Do y'all agree that I can write this as square root of 25 to the square root of x? Which is just what?
5.
5 square root of x. That's this. Now using that same idea, then what does this become? 7 square root of x. And then minus 3 square root of x. Are all of these like terms? Yes. So what's 5 square root of x plus 7 of them? Okay, so that's 12 square root of x. I agree with that. And what's 12 square root of x minus 3 of them? 9 square root of x. Okay? All right. The last one, number 4, last one. 2 square root of x to the 5th minus x square root of 49x cubed. Everything you've had up until this point, you can do using this. How many terms do you see? 2. Do they look exactly alike in terms of like terms? No. But let's simplify. You see that square root of x to the 5th? How can I write that? Square root of what? X to the 4th times x. And what's the square root of x to the 4th? X squared and then square root of x. So that's this. So that's 2x squared square root of x. Y'all agree? Okay. Minus. All right, let's talk about the square root of 49x cubed. 49x cubed. Do y'all agree that's the square root of 49 times the square root of x cubed? What's the square root of 49?
7.
Okay. Now let's go about x cubed. How can I write that? Times x. And what's the square root of x squared?
X.
So it'll be 7x square root of x. Now that's just this right here. But remember, that's also be multiplied by what? That x. So that's x times this right here. Y'all see that? So y'all agree that that's just this right here, right? But what's x times x? So y'all agree that's going to be 2x squared square root of x minus 7 what? X squared square root of x? Are those like terms? Yeah. So what's the answer, do you think? What's 2x squared square root of x minus 7 of them? Negative 5 what? X squared square root of x. Not x cubed, x squared. Okay? All right, so those are 4 problems, and that should help you with part of that worksheet, and then we'll do some more with this next class period.